On behalf of Durham University, I am really delighted to welcome the Right Reverend and the Right Honourable the Lord Williams of Oystermouth, former Archbishop of Canterbury, to deliver tonight's lecture.
Durham has been a presence, a friendly presence in my academic life for many, many years, and I feel very honoured to be invited to give one of these lectures. You won't be surprised to know that I have no one-word answer to the question in my title. In short, then, can politics be moral? My brief reply is, not only can it be moral, it must be moral, if it is in any sense discharging its own function.